Good day, students. Welcome to a TI-83 tutorial on entry matrices. In this clip, we're going to go over how to enter matrices using the TI-83. Okay, the steps I'll show you is also applicable to the 84 calculators, to the TI-84 pluses and also the TI-83. All right, so let's take a look at some examples. So let me just minimize this, just resize it. All right, so let's say we have the following matrices. So let's say matrix A was given is a square matrix. It's 3, 5, 2, 1. And you have matrix B, which is another square matrix, which is 5, 7, 2, 5. And let's say we also have matrix C, which is 2 by 3, 2, 5, 3, 1, and 4, 7. Okay? So the question is, how do we enter these matrices into the calculator? Let's say we wanted to compute, we're asked to find something like this. We're asked to find the value of 2a plus 3b, for example. What is 2a plus 3b? How do we do this? First thing you want to note is that you need to know how the dimensions of the matrix are named, okay? This is a 2 by 2. This means that you have 2 rows and 2 columns. There's always row by column, okay? And this is a 2 by 3 matrix. That means you have 2 rows, 1, 2, and 3 columns, okay? This is a 2 by 2 matrix, which means you have 2 rows and 2 columns, all right? Now, there are 2 ways of entering this into your calculator. You can do it directly on the home screen, or you can use a matrix menu. Okay, let me show you how to do it using the home screen first, and then I'll show you using the matrix menu. If I wanted to enter matrix A into the home screen, I'm going to be making use of the bracket. Okay, you see this bracket, the multiply and the minus? The yellow function of those two buttons gives you the open and close of the matrix. Okay, so if I want to enter matrix A, I'm going to go bracket. This opens the whole matrix. Bracket, this opens row 1. So I'm going to put 3 comma 2, and then I'm going to close row 1. Okay, now I'm going to open row 2 with another bracket, and then 5 comma 1, and then I'm going to close that. Okay, close the last row, and then close the entire matrix. Press enter. You see how it arranges it? 3, 2, 5, 1. That's exactly what I want. But if you notice, I didn't store it in any matrix. Okay, so if I want, I can store this in a matrix. So I can press the word store, and then I'm going to store this in matrix 1, like that. Enter. So these has automatically been stored in matrix 1. Okay, and then the same thing, I'll do that for B also, but I will do the store simultaneously with the whole process. Okay, so I'm going to go open the entire matrix in B, and then open the first row in B, 5 comma 2, close the first row. So we've entered the 5 2 as the first row. The second row is 7 5. Open the second row, 7 comma 5, close the second row, and then close the entire matrix. I'm going to store this in, see this button right here, matrix, second function x to the negative 1, gives you access to the matrix menu. Matrix G is the second one, right? So matrix 2, there you have it. Alright, so I've stored it in matrix 2, and then press enter. Okay, so if you want to access the matrix menu, it's second function x to the negative 1, and whichever name you want, you can just either scroll down to the name and press enter, or you just type in the number that corresponds to the matrix that you want. Okay, so let's go back to the home screen. So in the home screen, I stored matrix A. I stored 3 2 5 1 in matrix A. That's why when you go here, you have A, 2 by 2 is the matrix, and then B, you have that. Okay, let's verify that what I did is actually accurate. So I can go to edit. All right, so you scroll to the right, If I want to edit A, I'll press enter. Guess what? I have a 2 by 2 matrix, which is 3, 2, 5, 1. That's exactly what I want. Okay, let's put that and see what we have for matrix B. I can go to edit, scroll down to the second matrix, which is what we entered here, press enter, and you can see 5275 has already been pre-populated because of what we did in the home screen. Okay, so there you have it. Let's also enter matrix C. I'm going to open my entire matrix, open the first row, and then 2, comma, 3, comma, 4, close my first row. Open my second row, 5, comma, 1, comma, 7. And then close the second row and close the entire matrix. We're going to store this in matrix. See the store button right here? I'm going to store it in second function x to the negative 1 takes me to the matrix menu. I'm going to scroll down to 3 or just press 3. But since I scroll down, I just press enter. Store in matrix C. Okay? Press enter, and then this entire thing gets stored in second function matrix and then C. Okay? Now it's easy to do this operation. Let's say I wanted to go 2A plus 3B, so I'll just say 2. I need to call matrix A. Where can I find matrix A? I'll press second function x to the negative 1, calls up the matrix names, enter is the first matrix, plus 3. I need matrix B, right? Same process. Second function x to the negative 1 takes you to matrix, and then I'll scroll down to 2 or press 2. Enter, enter, there goes your final answer. So if I double this and add it to this times 3, I'm going to get that as my final answer. Okay, so this result is basically matrix 21, 31, 10, 17. Okay, you can do all kinds of operations with matrices using this. Alright, let me show you another way of entering matrices. So let's what I want to do now is basically I want to clear out all my matrices. So let me clear everything. I'm going to go to memory and I'm going to clear entries. Clear entries, enter, done. Let me see if matrix A has anything in it. Oh, it's still there. Let's see. Okay, so let's do that again. So if I go to memory, second function memory, second function plus takes me to the memory menu. So if I want to clear out my matrices, I'm going to go to memory and scroll down to memory / delete. Press enter. It gives you the different things you can delete. I'm going to go to option 5 because that's the matrix menu. So go to 5 and I can select which matrices I want to delete. Okay, I entered 3 matrices and this is the amount of memory they take up. So I'm going to select matrix A, matrix B, and matrix C. Okay, that's all I'm going to select to be deleted. Okay, so I press the button delete. It says, "Are you sure?" Yes, I'm sure too. Oh, and then delete that one. Are you sure? Yes, gone. And then delete that one. Yes. Okay, so all my matrices have been deleted. Okay, so to verify, let's call on matrix A again to see what we get. Matrix A is undefined. It has nothing in it. Likewise for matrix B. Matrix B has nothing in it. So even though we go second function x to the negative 1, you see these matrices have no dimensions, which means that they have no content in them. Okay? So now I'm going to show you how to enter these matrices using the edit menu. Okay? So to do this, what you do first is you go second function matrix. Let's say you want to store this in matrix A. You scroll to edit. Okay? Press enter. This method requires that you know the dimensions of your matrix. So you have 2 rows and 2 columns. So 2 for your 2 rows. Enter. You see, as soon as I entered 2, it gave me 2 rows. Okay. Number of columns is 2. Press enter, and it gives me 2 columns. Now I'm going to enter the numbers as they appear here. So row 1, column 1 is 3. Enter. Row 1, column 2 is 2. Enter. Row 2, column 1 is 5. Enter, and then row 2, column 2 is 1, enter. So you just simply type in the numbers and press enter, and then it moves to the next spot, the next cell for you to enter the corresponding matrix value. Okay, so there goes matrix A. Alright, second function quit. Let's call matrix A. Bam, there you have it. Alright, now let's go back to the matrix menu. We're going to enter matrix B. Go down, enter. First thing we want to do is enter the dimensions. Matrix B is a 2 by 2 matrix, so we enter 2, enter 2, 2 by 2 matrix, okay? So we're in row 1, column 1. You see down here it tells you the position you're in, okay? So 5, enter, row 1, column 2, 2, enter, row 2, column 1, 7, enter, row 2, column 2, 5, enter, okay? So matrix B has been created. So let's verify. Bam, there you have matrix B. And then we can do the computation we did here before. 2A plus 3B. Should get the same answer. Bam. Okay, there you have it. If you wanted to multiply, for example, let's say you wanted to do A times B, okay? It is possible to multiply the matrices. You know the verification for multiplication, right? Let's say you wanted to do A times B, for example. How do you do that? Same process, right? These two matrices can be multiplied, so let's multiply them and see what we get. Now, there goes the product of these two matrices, okay? And also if you go to matrix, all the matrix functions are entered here. The dimensions, field identity, determinant, the transpose, augment the matrix, um, reduce row echelon form, row swap. All the row operations can be done on whatever matrix you have. Okay, I'm going to do another tutorial on reduce row echelon form, but I just wanted to focus on how to enter these matrices into your calculator. Okay, so A times B is 29, 16, 32, and 15. Now, what if I wanted to do number 3? What if I wanted to do uh, 1/4 of matrix C, for example? Okay, 1/4 of matrix C. Basically, I'm distributing 1/4 to everything there. So how would I do that? Let's enter matrix C using the second method I showed you. So go second function x to the -1, and then you go to the right to edit. Let's go to matrix C. Enter. Now, what are the dimensions of matrix C? Matrix C has 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so you're going to enter 2 by 3. Enter. Okay, gives you the spots with 0 as a default value, so we have to enter these values here. So we have the same matrix. So 2, enter, 3, enter, 4, enter. That completes row 1. And then 5, enter, 1, enter, 7, enter. That completes row 2. Alright, we have matrix C entered already, so we want to compute 1/4 of C. So we have parentheses 1 divided by 4 times, how do I call the matrix up? Second matrix, go to the right, scroll down to C, enter, bam. There goes your answer in decimal form, okay? You notice that some of the values are not shown on the screen because of the size of the matrix. So let's enter what we have. We have 0.5, 1.25, 0.75, 0.25, these are row, column 1 and column 2. And just simply press the right button to scroll to the right, okay? And then you have 1 and 1.75, and this is your answer in decimal form. Okay, if you had other calculators like the TI-92 or the TI-89, this will give you this result in fraction form, okay, in exact form. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this clip. Do subscribe to my videos. I'll have another clip coming up very soon on how to carry out the determinant and also to do the reduced row echelon form of invertible matrices, okay? Alright, thanks. Have a good day.